Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Today is Memorial Day. I am going to go do my skincare routine, brush my teeth, get ready for the day. My brother just went to get us chips, graham crackers, and marshmallows because we're having s'mores for dessert. And my mom is making the other food right now. She just made the hot dogs, so those are ready. And my dad is working. So I'm gonna get ready. I'm gonna go get dressed and do everything I need to do. And I'll see you guys in just a second.
Right there on top of the moon, we could sit and do nothing. I wish we were bold to just fly away.
I didn't think it'd be this hard to go and try to let you down. At first, for sure, we suffer.
Hey, okay, so this is my OOTD. I have on this hoodie and then these denim shorts and my Adidas. I have these earrings. This one's a key, this one's a lock, then my second earring, and these sunglasses, and I'm about to go on a walk with my mom. I have my mask, of course, gotta stay safe. And that's my outfit. This is my parents' mirror, by the way, so.
Forever and the distance, but the path of least resistance is the one where I don't see you anymore. And yes, I'm sure about my choices. I don't need you to take me home. And though for sure the bed is warmer by your side, oh please believe me, babe, I've tried. You're not the one I thought that you were gonna be. I got you singing, ooh, I got the blues. I got you singing, ooh, I don't know what to do without you, baby. Ooh, you got the blues. And even though your heart is breaking, I got another man who loves to make me smile. Oh, he loves to make me smile. So can you just get up and go? Oh, you say the best I've ever had, I won't be bad, you drive me mad. I don't believe you when you say I'm gonna change. It's not that you can't break it down, yeah. It's just you didn't love me right. It will take time to get in line, crawl up the vine. You will be fine, but you will have to be fine on your own. I got you singing, ooh, I got the blues. I got you singing, ooh, I don't know what to do without you, baby. Ooh, you got the blues. And even though your heart is breaking, I got another man who loves to make me smile.
Now that I'm back from doing my cleaning and taking the trash out, I'd like to show you what I made. So it's nothing special, but I have green beans, corn, this vegan meat, and then like plantain, but it's the savory version of plantain. So I'm gonna eat that. It's my second time having it because I made some, well, my mom made the vegetables this morning and I added the rest of the stuff, but I had too much, so I split it into 2 portions, lunch and now, well, breakfast technically, and now lunch. But the lighting actually is so good right here. I'm so excited. Today was our first day of half days. We have, like, at our school, we have orange and white days. Orange days are odd days, are the odd classes, and then white days are the even classes. And so we have all of our final exams starting today through next week. Next week is my last week of school. It's June 3rd today, and we get out June 11th, which is Friday. And then tomorrow, Friday, is asynchronous because it's the graduation for the seniors. But each day we only have 2 classes. So today was first and second period, and then Tuesday next week will be third and fourth, so on. We have 8 periods, 7 or 8 periods, I think. And so we get out at 11:35, and my teacher let me out early. I was out 30 minutes early. She said, good job. And I said, thank you. Have a great summer. And then I left. And the final exams this year, they can't hurt your grade. They can only bring it up. My friend's final exam was a Kahoot, and we were allowed to take it twice. I'm sorry. Thank you. So anyways, that's a little update. I've also been on a 2-week social media fast, which I'm going to use as an excuse as why I didn't upload. So I just found out some wonderful news. I had math today, which was my first period, and I took my final assessment, and I was really concerned that I wasn't going to be able to get my grade up to an A, because I had an A-, but you know, college applications and such in high school, A's look a little better than A-, because I got a 71, and I was like, is that gonna bring my grade down? It couldn't, but I also did an assignment late last night, because it was due last night. I got in on time, thankfully, and we could either do one project and we would get a 10 out of 10, or if we did two, we'd get 20 out of 10, so it's like extra credit. I did two, of course, and I just checked my grades. Glory be to God, literally, like, he has helped me so much throughout this school year. I have an A. Yeah? I'm now gonna go watch a show with my dad and brother. It's on Disney Plus, The Bad Batch. It's a Star Wars show. We are Star Wars fans in this house, so. Okay, so I'm about to walk to the store with my mom. Just wanted to do a little OOTD. I have on my same Adidas, these shorts, and a yellow t-shirt. Then I have on my star choker and my sunglasses. So, kind of retro.
I know what you can do, change the world, I know it's true. Oh, in your eyes, a million skies, painted pink and blue and white. Oh, so don't stop now, you're getting so close, and don't stop now, you're further than most. Yeah, hear me out, I think you should know that. You should know that you got that glow. Can't stop that slow rise, yeah. You got that glow. Can't stop that slow rise, yeah. And know when life gets hard, I'll pick you up when you fall apart. If they curse your name, spit in your face, I'll wipe the tears, sweeten the taste.
Finally back home, walking up the stairs.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her.